Alright guys, so we have some landing gear, combination landing gear and lights, LED lights for our DJI Mini SE, and they just snap right on the bottom of our drone. There's a button here to power them on and off. You can see the LED panels there, and we're going to take our first flight with them and just see how they look. I've got a few questions. Someone said that this might block the sensors, and I don't know. We'll try it out. And I mainly just wanted to create a video looking for material, and I don't know if I'll use these more than a couple of times, but I just want to see how they look. And it's getting near twilight. I don't want it too dark, and I think we're ready to head outside and shoot some video. Alright, Annalise, I think we're ready to take off. We're going to check out our landing gear with our lights. Alright, we are recording. It's getting darker than I would have liked. On a normal pre-flight, unable to take off, GPS signal low. Why? Is it the landing gear? Because it's dark. I'm going to unlock that. Agree.
Oh, it's raining.
Alright, we're good.
It's raining.
Alright, we'll make this quick. Let's go ahead and get up in the air.
No, we cannot. No.
What was that?
What?
Alright, you ready? Here we go, Anna. Let's see what these lights look like. So this is what the lights look like. Now it does seem to make the drone drift a little bit, I've noticed. Usually it's a lot more stable than that. But let's go head up. Oh boy, is this rain?
Yeah.
Alright, I think we're done, guys. Let's land. Holy cow! So guys, our DJI Mini SE got very wet. We had a downpour without any warning, just all of a sudden. I heard it's a crazy day for weather. I guess out in Kentucky and maybe Tennessee, there were several tornadoes where something like 70 people were killed. And we're getting a little bit of that weather here. It's a nice day today. It's almost the middle of December, and here was 70 degrees. And yeah, I was out in shorts. But so our landing gear, they got the right color, the right fit, but the drone felt different. It wasn't stable as it usually is, and I had to bypass a setting to be able to fly at night. That was my first time flying at night with this drone, and it didn't like that, but I was okay with it. I was only going to go up my road here and check out some Christmas lights, but I don't know if I'll use it again. Maybe not fly very far with them. I just wanted to play around. But they're not built for this drone. If DJI had built it, it might have been more compatible. It was hard to hit the power button. And so anyways, I'll put a link in the description if you want to try out this landing gear and the lights. But it brings up another question. I don't know how much these weigh. They're very light, but our drone here, 249 grams. Now, in the manual, I think it says it's actually 242 grams. So if the landing gear is 8 grams or less, we're okay. But if it's more than that, that makes this aircraft at a place where we need to register it. We'd be flying with over 250 grams, and legally we would have to register it. So that brings up that question. So thank you for watching. We'll have more drone videos, of course, coming up in the near future. And have a very Merry Christmas.